What's up everybody, 360 Juice here back with another video for you guys. And today, all my beginners, I'm going to show you how to deep condition your wave. Deep conditioning plays a big part in keeping your hair moisturized, keeping your scalp moist and not dry. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show all y'all the perfect way to deep condition your hair as a waver. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, so let's start off with what you would need for this deep conditioning method. You're gonna need a deep conditioner, any type of deep conditioner that you like. It could be Shea Moisture, Cantu. I love this, but it's called olive cholesterol. Yeah, I'm not really sure what this is made out of, but hey man, if you get this, just read the ingredients in the back and everything. But this is the olive cholesterol. This is what I'm using. This is super shine and moisturized deep conditioning cream for damaged hair. So I'm gonna use this. And of course, to brush that in, you're gonna have to brush it in. So you can't just rub everything in and mess up your wave. You gotta brush it down to lay your waves down. So I'm going to use my 360 Merch Detangling Shower Brush. Of course, if you guys want some, it's going to be linked down in my description. And don't forget to use my discount code 360Juice to get, I believe it's 10% or 15% off. I think it's 15%. You get 15% off your purchase. Get your Detangling Shower Brush. You're definitely going to need this for your washing styles and your deep conditioning days like today, also known as your cold wash days. Notice that this is called cold wash and not washing style, or this is called a deep conditioning day, not washing style. It's not a washing style because I'm not washing my hair. I'm basically conditioning my hair or moisturizing my hair, whichever one you prefer. But we're not going to use a shampoo in this video, not at all, because shampoo, what it does is it strips your hair of its natural oils and it keeps your hair looking dry. We're not using shampoos today, so yeah man. Next thing you're going to need is a brush, just an old brush that you don't use, in your regular brush sessions, because when your brush gets wet, it kind of damages the bristles. So I'm using my 2/6 King Wavy medium brush. And I'm also going to add some Jamaican black castor oil into my hair as well with the conditioner to just add some more moisture and keep my hair really conditioned and moisturized the right way. And of course, you're going to need a mirror to look at what you're doing. And to finish it off, you're going to need a 2/6 King Wavy washing style do-rag. It's a washing style do-rag because the holes are super big, okay? The holes in there are big. It lays your hair down, it's stretchy, and it also makes it easier for the product to rinse out of your hair when you're rinsing. Like this one, the holes in this are very, very tiny, but the holes in this one is very big. So when it comes to rinsing the shampoo or the product out of your hair, it'll be much easier with this than if you have this on, and it'll be really hard to, get the product out of your hair. So you want to try to rinse that out thoroughly, and this will be best for that. Add the link to this in my description so y'all go check it out. But sure, right before we get started with this video, I want to show you guys what I'm working with my third week after my scalp. Alright, so this is officially week 1 of my wolf. Y'all gonna start seeing a lot of forks on this side because I changed up the angle. Instead of going down like this, I'm going straight up now. You're gonna see a lot of forks here. And this area right here is starting to ripple up because I changed the direction of this one as well. So you're going to see a lot of forks here on top and here. The back, not as much, because the back is basically kind of like the same way as I brush with my 360 Beehive. So it's just like back, you're not going to see a lot of forks, but you're definitely going to see a lot of forks on the side right here, and the top. But first thing you want to do with this conditioning method is to wet your hair. So you're going to wet your hair with warm water because that opens up your pores, you feel me? And you want your pores open if you want to moisturize. So open up your pores with some warm water. Alright, so now after you've wet your hair, just want to go on with a quick little brush session, alright? And guys, remember, like I told you, if you want to activate the conditioner, you have to wet your hands and keep wetting and applying it to your hair. That's how you activate it. Alright, y'all, now that you're done with that, you want to just add a little more, you know, just a little more. When I say a little, see that? I'm going to add that to my hair, and then I'm going to keep activating with more water so I could just have it foam up the way I want it to. Well, I call it lather, have it lather up, because you know I love lathering. So I like when the product lathers in my hair. So we're going to do that. And guys, you could do this every single day if you want. You could condition your hair like this every day. Matter of fact, I'm not really sure, man. Before I tell you guys we could deep condition your hair every day, I have to do my research on that first. I don't know if it does anything to your hair, but I know it doesn't dry up your scalp. So this is really beneficial to having healthy scalp. So I don't know. But you definitely cannot wash your hair with shampoo every single day. That's a no-no. That's why I keep telling you guys, either twice a week max to wash your hair with shampoo, man, because shampoo is deadly. Okay, stay away from that. Try to stay away from it as much as you can. This is going to be a fast process, so have your do-rag next to you, okay? This is going to be a fast process. Matter of fact, put it over your shoulder. Put the do-rag over your shoulder and just activate. As soon as you get it to lather the way you want to put that do-rag right on. And make sure you lay down as much as you can. If you have a 2/6 king wavy wave cap, the shower wave cap with the big holes in them, you can put that on top of your head if you want to. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse it out, and then let my hair dry, and I'm going to rinse it out. Well, you can rinse it out with warm water or cold water. It don't matter. Cold water closes up your pores, warm water keeps your pores open. So after I finish rinsing this out, I'm going to let it dry for about 3 hours. Then I'm going to moisturize my hair with my 2/6 King Wavy Butter Moisturizer, some pomade, and some oil, and then put my do-rag back on. And I'm definitely going to brush that in with a soft brush, and I'm going to put my do-rag on, and then call it a night. I mean, that's how I deep condition my hair, and that's how you should deep condition your hair as a beginner. You should not deep condition your waves any other way. This is the only way. I mean, if you have another way you could deep condition your 360 waves, drop it in the comments, man. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Really hope this was helpful. I'm not going to have this in my hair for the rest of the day. I'm going to rinse it out after 30 minutes, all right? So, and I'm going to rinse it out with the do-rag on my head, all right? These holes are in my do-rag for a reason. So the water's going to go through the holes and take all this out of my hair, all right? So, yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace.